Okay, give me just a few minutes. Sample rate, general. Hello? Do you hear me right now or no? If do you hear me now? If there is no voice, I will try to do it again. Oh, you should tell me that everybody is listening, because I don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I don't know what did happen with the audio thing, but since you said it's working, so it's working. It's good. Okay. So, guys, I don't want to lose more time for this voice. I have no idea what's going on, because I don't change the setting. I am a guy who is set from the beginning. I don't change anything. Okay, so let's drink some coffee and then we can continue. Okay, so hello everybody here. Wise Man, Bobby, Six Killer, Fabian, Arnold, Balderas, and the other ones that are hidden. I don't see them. I thought it was problem with my volume. Oh, okay. Now I don't know what's going on. You know, these technology things. Sometimes something doesn't work, so we should fix it. Now, I have spoken about cryptocurrency last week and the other week, and we have spoken about Bitcoin, and we have spoken about these small cryptocurrencies that are, these things that pop out. It's a new. Before we have only Bitcoin, which is in 2008, and the guy. I think Satoshi or something, who has made this internet money or something, his idea was just to overcome the bank's fees. Okay? Because understand that banks now and in the past have been making a lot of money just because of these changes. Okay? And you and I and everybody, when we exchange money, the banks is always there to take the fees. And I understand a lot of people when they talk to me, we say, I have my bank and I invest in my bank, and it's good so far. I say, what? I said to him, you invest in the bank and it is good? You don't see the fees? Okay? And this is the idea why the cryptocurrency comes to play. Now, cryptocurrency is the Bitcoin. When it comes only peer-to-peer sending money. For example, I send you money. Yes, you should. Some people, they use the bank to take the money from or so, but still, these currencies come to live for what reason? In order to facilitate or to make it easy to send money without these banks and fees and the other stuff. Okay? Right now, for example, if you have bought cryptocurrencies, you can send money to anyone in the world using your currencies, the new currencies. Okay, you don't even use the dollar or the euro or the yen for Chinese or whatever currency that you have. This is an international currency, and we have a lot right now. Not only Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the biggest one, okay, and the most looked at, okay. And there are a lot of people who made during these years, just 2 years or 3 years, they have made a lot of money from this currency. It's new, and here is the difference right now. The difference is that between stock market and cryptocurrencies, we can say that cryptocurrencies are related to currencies. It means like the dollar, like euro in Europe, like dollar in USA and Canada and Australia and some other countries. But you see, this cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, it was only, in 2008, it was only 65 cents. This is what the history tells. Maybe less, maybe more. But it is less than $1. Okay? How can something which is less than $1 becomes right now 44, 50 or 54 or 60, or I don't know where it goes. So it is something that it is extraordinary. People, they have never seen this. And all this, it comes from the technology. People, they have ideas. You think that this guy, who is called Satoshi, or I don't know what is his name, he comes with this idea of international money. I say, okay, people, these countries, they speak about dollar, they speak about euro, and they say, oh, this is our currency, you should follow our currency. What is the value of our currency? The dollar, and it is the most used in the world, and it is like guaranteed by USA. Okay, before it was currencies were guaranteed by the gold, but America has changed history and make the dollar as a guarantee. It means America guarantees the value of the dollar. And I know these things. I don't want to go deep into these currencies and the other stuff. But what makes us like traders or investors? What makes us interested in these currencies or cryptocurrencies is that you can make money easily. I'm not saying easily you just put some money and make money, no. But it means that it is a way to trade or a way to invest. This is the new thing. And cryptocurrency, it is something that belongs to the whole world. It has no country. For example, I say, which country belongs to Bitcoin? Bitcoin, it is a technology. It is an internet currency. It has no country, and this is the good thing. But understand that this technology, it makes something, it becomes big and so big, but it may collapse at any time. Understand that. So be careful when you are investing on. When you are trading, it's okay, because when you trade, it's just you buy and you sell, you buy and you sell. You can sell short, you can buy long. So it is just trading. But when you invest and you put a lot of money, you can see that you can make a lot of money, but in few days, a few weeks, you can lose it all. Okay? So right now, we are speaking about just cryptocurrencies because it is new. Now the stock market, it is about something that exists really. Okay? Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are virtual. It means they don't have something that back them. It means at the back, there is only technology. And this thing, it is the people who give value. But In stock market, no. Stock market, if you are an investor, okay, and there are people who invest for decades, and for example, if you take Warren Buffett, it is just an example of a person who succeeded, and all the people who follow him, and they buy and they hold for 20 years, 30 years, 50 years, 60 years. Almost all the people, all the big organizations, everyone is making money from this stock market. Stock market, it is one of the biggest vehicle of making money. And in the stock market, we have crisis. Okay? You see the 1929, where the Dow Jones, for example, was at $340 a share, it goes to 40. Okay? And we have the bigger crisis. The people lost their jobs, lost their investment. So it was a big problem. Even if you own buying houses like this in 2008, where we have the collapse of the banks, collapse of real estate, where the people, you see them asking the people, you can buy many houses and you can invest, okay? And they show them the way. Just ask your bank to give you 100,000 or 50,000. You buy a house. You have a house, and you are paying for it. But you can buy another house and put it at rent, and you can do it again. Buy this, and you begin to make money. But when there is a crisis, you lose your job. People lost their job. All the houses that you have, or the physical houses that you have, or investment, there is no one who wants to rent. So whenever you don't pay your mortgages for other houses, what will happen to them? The banks will take all your wealth, and all that you put before, and you make some money, everything goes. And understand, guys, when something happens, it's just because there is an abuse. People, they begin to talk. Oh, do this. You make money. I will show you. But when there is a crisis, these guys doesn't show up. They say, okay, I have bought 10 houses, all on the mortgage. Okay? It's not I don't own. Because now, see the difference. If you own 2 houses, let's say you have money, you have a business, you have a good job, and you own another house, okay? Even if you don't rent it, it is your own house. You pay tax, for example, let's say 200,000, another house that you have already paid for it. Let's say 10 years or 20 years, you have paid for it, and there is no renter. There is no one who asks for rent or something in that area. At least you don't lose your house. Just you pay the tax every year, 2,000 or 3,000 or 1,000, depending on the house value. Okay? So you are good. So you own something. But whenever you don't own anything, and a calamity, or when there is a problem coming to you, it comes to the whole market. And that's why we have crisis. You see, 2008, most of the real estate, almost all, they get fired because laid off. There is no job. Okay? It's not the boom anymore. And look at the people who bought in 2006, 2007, 2005. The market, the real estate market was at its high. When it collapsed, everybody, most of the people lost their wealth. Some people who have mansions, some people who have houses, some people even the house that he live in. Like he was working a good job, real estate, he has a house with $500,000 or $1 million, he's doing good. And then 2008 comes and everything collapsed and he lost his job, and then he go renting. Okay? And you see there are some people who have been in this and get hurt. So why I give you these things is just to show you that bad things happen in the market. Okay? So when these things happen, so try to understand how the market moves. Okay? How the market moves. Now, I have just given you an example of stock market, and I said the main difference between stock market is that the difference between stock market and cryptocurrencies is that stock market is based on something physical. It is real. For example, when you buy a share of Apple, you understand that you know Apple, it exists, you see it, it makes devices, it makes smartphones, you know it, you know its value, you think that in the future it can grow and grow. Still, there is no other companies that are at major competition, okay? And you know that if you invest maybe 10 years or 20 years, maybe you will be profitable in the future. So you understand? Now, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, for example, it goes from 65 cents, as usual. I'm not sure the exact price, but they say it's the first transaction when someone for $3 or $4, it means 5, 6, 7 Bitcoins, he bought pizza. This is the first, they say this is the first transaction to buy pizza. You know, because the guy who makes this, it is just a way to get rid of these banks, because the new generations, and this is what I like. This is what I like about the new generations. They like technology. They want to see what this technology can bring to us, and we get rid of the old stuff. The old stuff like banks. And when I'm telling you always, when someone tells me, oh, I invest through my bank, I was astonished. This is for years and years and years. I say, what? Investment through your bank? You know that your bank, they have a lot of fees. Fees they show you, fees they don't show you. So if you are putting your money through the bank and invest in stocks or doing whatever you want to do, you try to stop for a while and see all the fees, because you get ripped off. And after 10 years, 20 years, you will see that you have lost a lot of your own money. You think that you are investing, but you are not. Because big chunk of your money is gone. It's just gone through the fees. That's why the banks that's why Warren Buffett, like the banks, insurance, for example, they are taking a lot of money. But when they give, they don't give that much. That's why they are profitable. They are making, they do certain ways. It's calculated by mathematicians. Don't think that this insurance is some stupid person who they collect $30 or $50, and then they give you, if you have an accident or you have a car crash, and if you have full coverage, he gives you another car, and you say, oh, he gives me another car, oh man. But understand that millions of people, they have not done accident. So all this, he make more than what he gives. That's why Warren Buffett, one of the biggest investors in the world, he began his success by buying insurance company. You see that? Now, so we said that the stock market is based on something physical. It means a bank, let's say Bank of America or Centras or I don't know what's the others, or whatever bank in USA you are with. So you should see that there is a bank. You should go to the bank, make an account in the bank. You know, it's physical. Apple is physical. Tesla making electric cars, batteries, and the other stuff. It means old car manufacturers like Ford, like Tesla, like Chevrolet, like the other European cars, or Japanese cars. You see that this thing exists in real. And its shares, they go up and down according to the market. No, but cryptocurrencies, they come out from the internet. People, they become millionaires from the internet. Okay? People who have IDs. And now, the first cryptocurrency was Bitcoin, but now we have a lot. So that's why I want just in this live, I want just to go through them. Now, for me, please, guys, as you know me, don't ask me why this cryptocurrency goes up, and you go to fundamentals because this is doing this and that. And for me, I don't go with fundamentals, even in cryptocurrency or stock market. I don't. Since I am doing swing trading, I'm not doing investing. I'm not going to give you recommendations or how to invest. It means which stocks, which companies, or which cryptocurrencies you want to do or to buy. But this is up to you. You can search, you can do whatever. But the main thing for me is the price growth. How? The price growth. We begin right now giving you the example of Bitcoin. We try to see the chart because for me, the most important thing that you should think about is the price. Price is king. Okay? So let's see if we can make it. Last time we have a problem with the thing. Okay. Okay. You see now the website. I'm just trying to show you the website, Coinbase. I have showed you this last week or the other week. So let's go and check. Okay. Now Bitcoin now is at $56,336.02. Now when you see this trade in Coinbase, now what does it mean? It means that you can trade it. It means you can buy and you can sell. This is what does it mean. Okay. Now this one, for example, XRP, you should find another exchange because and XRP, I don't know why. Coinbase doesn't get it, and it is so big. Okay, XRP or XRP. Now take Bitcoin. We click that. Okay. Now here it was just a few days ago, 21st. It was 58. Now it is 56. So it's very good. Now let's go to 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and the ultimate all. Now here it gives the chart. It gives only in December 2013. It was 1,000. Okay, so the chart here doesn't give me I think the chart should give me everything. Okay? So here, okay, let's take this. Wait. Okay. 19. So let's take this as an example, and then we can use this. Okay, guys, let's go and check. So, guys, please pay attention. I will explain the development of this Bitcoin, and then we can get a discussion and we see. Okay, so now let's speak about the beginning. Now let's the beginning here. It was 0.65 cents. Now this is the beginning in 2008. Okay, I have some friends who like this internet thing. Some people who have bought at $1, $2, $3 from the beginning because they have heard about this news about Bitcoin and so. Now, 2008. Now here, 2018. It becomes 19,000. Okay, so you see the percentage. So you see how much is the percentage? Which is 19,039%. Okay, now here we are, let's say, at as we saw it right now. It's at 56. Let's say 56,000. Okay, percent. 56,500%. So, and we are in 2021. Sorry. Okay. So how many years? So 2 years. It means, let's say, 12 years. Okay. So you see how much is the investment. From 12 years, you get 50,500%. This is something that it is extraordinary. Okay? It has never happened in the world that you put in investment and it goes 56,000 in 12 years, percent in 12 years. I don't know, for me, for stocks or so, we have the example of Warren Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway, but I don't know it goes to this 56,500%. Okay? Now, let's now discuss from 65 cents it goes to $19,039 1 cent, and then it collapses, I think, here, and it makes 3,000, I think, 310. Okay, so this is the bad thing. When it is 19,000, all the people who bought more than 3,000 here, the beginning, when the cryptocurrency is going up, they are making too much money. But those who bought and exceed 3,000, let's say 3,300 or 3,000, now when we have the downtrend from 19,000 to 3,000, so let's say it's like you lose, for example, let's say 82% of your money, okay, down. And from 3,000 to now, which is $56,500, for example, you see that you have made, let's say 3 and 3 by 50. So 300%. So 300% and by 5, so 1,500%. Okay. So this is how things work. But does the Bitcoin at this can collapse at any time, and all the people who made money, if they don't exit on the right moment, it can collapse, or it can continue up and up until collapse, because this is the market. You will never know when, but I think after each trend, big trend, there is a downtrend. Okay, so guys, this is in general. This is in general about the cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency, like any other market, it has big trends, it has small trends, and it can collapse also. But for the people who trade, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. They can sell short and they can make money, a lot of money from cryptocurrencies, because it's the same. Okay, you do the same, you sell short, it's going down, you make money. Now, let's say we speak now about the stock market. Now, when we speak about the stock market, it is not doing as much as cryptocurrencies. But the risk is in the stock market, most of the time it's 50% loss. If you lose, you will never lose everything. But as an example, that it was a problem of YouTube. I have no idea about this. Oh, okay. So thank you, Nasa, for your information. And if we see the market, for example, the stock market in 2008, how much it lost? 50%. Now, understand, I will show you right now. Let's see. Let's get the Dow Jones. I will show it to you. Okay. Let's now give you the Dow Jones, and we try to give you an idea. How this thing work. Okay, so let's see, guys, with this Dow Jones. Now, this is a yearly. As you can see, a yearly chart. A yearly chart. $132, 40, 74. Okay. So let me give you some information. Now we are speaking about this year, which is 2008. Just an example, okay? 2008. So the share, it was 132. It goes down to $74. Okay. So this is 2008, when I said to you that most of the loss is 50% loss in the stock market. Okay, now this is the risk when you invest for the long run, but after this loss, the stock market needs 4 years to come to the same price, 132, and then this is the profit. Okay, this is the profits on, so 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 2013, when the stock market began to go up, and so from the dip here, the dip, which is $74. Okay, $74, not, okay, sorry, $74, I will write it here, clear, okay, $74, it goes to 314, okay, so, let's say, 74, 140, 280. Let's say it's 420%. Okay, the stock market from 2008, 420%. Now, the cryptocurrency, as we said, it is 65,500%. So you can't, you can't make a difference, okay? Because cryptocurrency is better if things goes good than the stock market, okay? But when the cryptocurrency collapse, okay, in stock market, the loss was 50%, and cryptocurrencies was, for example, 82%. So you see the difference, because the risk is not the same. The risk is not the same. But the people, they think about the money, making the money. They don't think about the risk. The risk, because some people, they just sell and they take their money, even if it's delayed or not. They take their money and that's it. Now, so let's go back now, just to continue our discussion. Sabah, hi. So this is just to give you an idea that cryptocurrencies, in terms of growth, It's incomparable. You can't compare with any investment. Okay? Except sometimes with something that can go high, like forex, or like options, or like futures. Yes, those, if there is a big trend, and you can make a lot of money also if you follow the trend. And as you can see, with the manipulation of the stock market with the GME, I told you guys that I will make a video, but I was so lazy these weeks that I am not making any videos. I just want to do live like this and speak to you directly, and we can get some discussion. That's it. I was so lazy, but I'm thinking to make the video about GME because it's very important, and I show you the manipulation and how some people, when they follow these scammers and this thing, they can make a lot of money. Some people, they lose it all, and some people, they make a lot of money. And it's it's something that happens always in the market, and it's not new. Manipulation is not new. It's every day you find stocks that are manipulated, and it's not. But the people, because they don't know that there is a manipulation, they think it is something new, but it is not. Now, cryptocurrencies, yes. Cryptocurrencies, no one believes. If you guys, you believe that 65 cents can go to 56,000 in 12 years, you can sell your house and you go to rent, and you put all the money of the house, you can put it in this 65 cents. But because the people, they don't know the future. And everyone who tells you, I know the future, he's a big liar. Because if you do this, you would become more than thousands of times than Warren Buffett's money. Okay? If you know. And no one knows. Okay? You can see trends, you can follow trends, you can make some money, but it's not something that you are sure of. If you put heavy money or big money into something you believe in, now if you succeed, yes. And it happens that some people are so crazy. There is one guy, I think, in this cryptocurrencies, at the beginning, when it was $1, just a few weeks, there's one guy who put $25,000. He was just guy. He's just beginning to work. He has a good job, and he has accumulated some money. And then he see this cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and he get interested. And they say, what if this goes up and up and up? And no, he has just an idea. So he put 25,000. At that time, 2008. It was a big money. Now, I think he ended up with, $450 million in few years. I don't know if he sold or he didn't sell, but it was a big success. And a lot of people like this, they show up in TV and they speak about their experience. But what if, I'm just giving you an example. What if this guy, he put 25,000, and then this 65 cents or $1 is banned by all the countries, and it goes to zero? Do you think you will see him in the TVs and he was a success? No, because he has done something that he believed in, and he was lucky. He was lucky to make a fortune. Because 25,000, you get $450 million. It's something that it is so big. Okay? There is one guy just these days with GameStop. I have spoken about this, but I didn't make the video yet. They say he put $1,250 in options, a call option, at the beginning of the manipulation of GME, or which is GameStop, and he make about $950,000. And he sold, and he make a lot of money from a very, very tiny, small money. Okay? So things happen. It's a bubble right now in cryptocurrencies. But understand that when you invest, or when you trade, or you invest for 1 month or 2 months, 3 months, understand if things go wrong, understand that all these people who have made a lot of money and didn't exit, or will not exit on time, and this cryptocurrencies collapse, understand that some people will be homeless, because the people, they have maybe millions of dollars in this thing, and they see their millions of dollars goes bigger and bigger and bigger. If you have put some money and you have a big chunk of money, just take some and put it in buy a house, or do an investment that you can find in the future. Because if something goes wrong, this investment will be gone. And understand that some countries in the world, I don't know how many countries, but they ban Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. It means those people who want to buy, they have problem. They should go internationally in order to buy. In America here, it's easy. We have Coinbase. I think we have another exchanges, and people, they buy wherever they want. And we have small cryptocurrencies. This is what is interesting, is that we have a new small cryptocurrencies. So I will just show you some of them. Okay, I will just show you some of them in order to see. Okay. Let's see here. So look, guys. Now as you can see, Bitcoin is the biggest. We have Ethereum 1,881. It doesn't go that much Ethereum than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was, because people they are interested more in Bitcoin than Ethereum. Now XRP, let's see XRP how it works. Okay, let's see. Yes. So, for example, this XRP was 1 cent, 2 cents here. Let me see here. Here it is less than a cent, 0.0072. It means less than a cent. Now it goes here. Let me see the price. $3.84. So what does it mean? Let me see here. It means it goes 3,840%. Okay? Not just 30, I think 38,000 or something. So if you have bought this when it was small, because it takes time, it takes 13, 15, 2016, January 2018. Now, in 2018, the cryptocurrency goes wild, and then it collapsed with the stock market collapse in 2018. It collapsed a little bit. So this is a big deal. Okay? So, and then it goes to 28 cents, 14 cents, to 22 cents. Now, this, what you see here, it can happen again. It can happen again. That's why the people, they are waiting. Maybe they bought, they are waiting for this thing. Now it is 53 cents, but it can go to $3.84. So it shows here how much it goes. It goes 8,900%. 8,000. So 10 by 8, 80. It means nearly 80 times your money. Okay? 80 times your money. Whatever is your money is. It means you put $1, you get $80. You put 100, you get 8,000, like this. So people, like for me, for example, if I want to invest in this XRP or any other, I should see the trend. Now this happens, it can happen again, but there is no guarantee, but it might happen. Okay? But this XRP, it's so small, but Coinbase doesn't sell it. It means you don't find it in okay. But you can find others. Let's say this one, Stellar Lumens. It's only 48 cents. So let's go to it. Now, the week, the month, the year, the all. You see? You see what did I tell you? So here, for example, it was less than $1. No, it's less than a cent. It's 0.0021. It means less than a cent. But it goes to 0.93 cents. So this is less than the other. Okay? And how much? It's 15,800%. Okay? 15,000. It means 10, 20 percent. So we have 10 times. So the amount that you make is a lot. Now, as I told you, you can see the chart. It was going up and down, up and down, up and down. Now it's going down, then it's going up, it's going up. It can continue making the same, or it can make bigger, but it can collapse. But understand, guys, if it collapses, you will be losing all your money. For example, here it's when we say 93 cents. 93 cents here, it goes to 3 cents. So guys, try to make sure you understand. 93 to 3. It means all your money is gone. Now, while here you are making big bucks, here you are losing it all. So, I know all the people are greedy, and so you should just follow the trend. Okay? Now, since we spoke about cryptocurrencies, so as I told you, in general, you can check. There are a lot that are very, very small. Stellar Lumens. You find this Algorand. It's only $1.26, $4, 59. And some they go so quick. Look at this. 26%. Okay? 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, all the time. So all the time, this is into the big trend. So here it was like 7 cents or 6 cents. It goes to 90. So as you can see, the percentage, it's very, very small. 66%. Okay? So, from the beginning, okay, they begin to count here. They begin 22 cents, okay? They don't begin here, because when this percentage that you see is from the beginning of this 20 cent until now. Okay? So, I'm not saying there are opportunities and it's almost adding, but sometimes when they go down so bad. So all this red. So you see here, for example, ox, this one here, ox, it's 11.89%. It's like if you can compare, you can compare it with penny stocks. Okay, it's like penny stocks. They go so big, a lot of volatility. Okay, a lot of volatility. And you will never know which will go faster than the other. You know, that is for. Okay. Now, understand that for me, when I'm presenting you this, I am presenting you with investing in them and trading in them. Now, for me, trading is better because you should follow the trends. This is what I believe in. When you go online and begin to read, oh, this is this is this. But for me, I want to see something. That's why the people, they get in this bubble thing. The people, almost all the world, they say, oh, buy. They begin to buy. Things go up so fast. But when things are going down, they say, hold, because it will go up again. But who tells you that this thing will go up again? Because as I just showed you, one of them, cryptocurrencies, was 93 cents. And then, after 1 year or two, it is 3 cents. It means if you hold a loser, he will lose all your money. So, if you are an investor, or you should follow the trends. Follow the trends only. At least the trends, you will see them. Now, everything that it is made hidden, you will see it in the chart. Okay? So now we finish with this thing. Let's go now to Dow Jones. I just give you some stuff about Dow Jones, and then we can stop. Okay. Now 2020. With coronavirus, you see how much the stock, it opens at 286, it goes to 182. Okay? You see how much it lost. It lost nearly 100%. 100% it means. But everything that it is lost, it is gained at the end of the year. After March thing, and then it goes up. So in order to see the year, because the year here, it says it's going down, going up, but it doesn't give you information. Now, if you put the daily, you should see the information. Okay? So let's take this information. I just show it to you, this information. I always I always try to explain to understand what's going on, okay, in the market. At least if you follow me, you have a clear idea. Here is the thing I'm trying just to explain, okay? Now, I have explained from last year to this year. Now, this is when the stock market is still going up. Now, this is the beginning of the year 2020. Okay? It continues to go up until around February. I think February 20. Now, from February 20, it goes down into coronavirus downtrend until March, let's say March 20. Okay, it's 1 month. But from the 1 month, it goes up until now. So this is the big trend of this year. Okay? So this is the big year of this year and how things work. Now, if you want to check, let's give you, okay, let's give you a comparison between stock market and the other, and Bitcoin. Okay, let's give you something about Bitcoin to see if Bitcoin and the other are doing the same. So let's see here. Okay. October 20, September, July, May, March. So if you just see, okay, if you just see how the thing move. Now here is when here in this one, here we have the downtrend like in March. In March here, it's the beginning of the trend, and the trend becomes slowly, and then it goes up and up like this. Okay? So the cryptocurrency, they go slowly going up. Understand that this here, okay? And it's going up. Now, in November, here is the big move. The big move is this here, okay? But here it goes slowly. Now the stock market, as you can see, it's the same, going up. So it means that it's nearly the same. It means the stock market is going up, the cryptocurrency going up, but cryptocurrency is a worldwide. This is the difference, just to understand. Okay? So understand that in our stock market, most of the countries, they invest in our stock market. It's not only, our market is global. You find someone who is in China, he can invest in America. Okay? Chinese companies, they get listed here, and we invested in them, and if they go up, we make money. There are some Canadian companies that get listed here, a lot of companies, they get listed here. So how do you know that these companies are international? I will show you guys right now with FinViz. This is the website that I use. Okay, so let's go and check. Now look at the FinViz, just to give you an example. Guys, now in this FinViz, it has 7,837 stocks. This is the companies that get listed in this FinViz. But in our stock market, we have more than this. Now, if you see countries, you have China, for example, AACG, ATA Creativity Global. This is a company that gets listed here, but it is Chinese. Okay? Now here we have Canada. All Modern Minerals. Okay? Now you can check. You have Switzerland. ABB. Okay? You have Canada. You have United Kingdom. You have Canada. Now you can choose whatever foreign, Asia, Europe, Latin, BRIC, Argentina, Australia. Now, for example, you are Canadian and you want to know what are the Canadian companies that are listed in USA. So you click that, Canada. Oh, what's this? I think I'm mistaken. Yes. Guys, we have 196 companies that are listed in our exchange. Now, what does it mean listed? It means the company, they listed here in our exchange, and it should apply the rules of US, which is Security Exchange Commission. They should file, they should give the information for investors. They should comply with all the information. If they want to get listed, they should give information to investors. How much money they have, cash flow, the loans, and the other stuff. So it's very, very easy to know the countries. Any country that you, whatever is your country, here, they show you. Now, there is even United Arab Emirates. Let's see. Oh, okay. We have two countries, Brog and Djellala. These are Emirates, which is from Middle East. Okay? Any country that you want to know, United Kingdom, Peru, okay? All these countries. If you want only USA, you can put USA. And this is FinViz is a good website. Okay, is a good website if you are interested just to get information. Yes. Okay, guys. I think I have finished this small presentation. I have spoken about cryptocurrencies and stock market, but I want just to give you differences. If you in the future you want to invest or you want to trade, for me, the chart is the basic thing you see. All what you see as a news, as information, do this, don't do that, you should decide by yourself. Because if you put $10,000 in Bitcoin, and it was 56,000, you think that it is going to 100,000, and after 1 month, 6 months, it goes to $5, or it's your decision. You can blame no one of anything. So try not to be greedy in the stock market, especially in these cryptocurrencies, because it is too volatile. Okay. So let's go and check what you have written. There is no sound. Yes. Now we hear you. Good evening, Kareem. Wise man. Okay. Everything is good. Okay. I see only one comment. Wiseman said Dow is definitely proof that economy and stock market isn't the same. Yes. You know, in our trading account last year, when we have the month when the market was going down, I shorted for only 1 week or two, and then when I see, so I can show you, guys, what did happen. And this is the last thing I say. Please, guys, if you have questions, you should ask questions. Now, guys, you can look at the chart. Okay, just to show you something. I know most of the guys that are following me, they know this information already, and those who are following me into my trading account or investing account, they have a clear idea what I'm speaking about. But for you guys, I will just show you something before we finish. Okay? Now, as I told you before, now here is 2020, the beginning. It was doing good, and then in January we have the first, in 27 January 2020. This is the first case of coronavirus, COVID-19 in America. Okay? First case. So Trump has banned China for traveling and for Chinese to come to America. And a lot of problems, political problems. Then he banned Europe and then the whole world. Now, the end here of February, let's say we say 20, it's going down here. I have sold short for 2 weeks. Only 2 weeks, because the first week is going down, 2 weeks, and then I waited, and then I see that the stock market stopped going down. Okay? Now this is the stock market. Now, if you think about, I will give you now, as a wise man, he gave me this idea. We have spoken about it. Many times. Thank you, Wiseman, for the information. Let's say we get it here. Okay. Let's say the stock market is going up. Okay. Now, in terms of the economy, what did happen in the economy? Now, this is the economy. It means our economy. It means it is our physical economy. It means the companies. What did they do? Physical companies. The economy in physical. Now, stock market is virtual. So that's why I told you there is a big difference between the stock market and the economy. Now, while the economy is doing good here in 2020, we have the beginning of collapse in 1 month. This is the stock market. Okay? Now, stock market was going up. This is the stock market. Now, what did happen in real economy? Real economy, it goes down. So this is the people, they don't understand this thing. They don't differentiate between stock market and our economy. Now, how do you know the economy is collapsing? You know it by unemployment. You know about what the government has done, the CARE Act to help the companies. You can see, for example, the bankruptcy rate. You see that in 2020, it is the biggest bankruptcy in these years, in 2020. Now, what about the stock market? Stock market, if you invested like us in the end of March, beginning of April, let's say here, end of March, you are making a lot of money right now. We have made last year into November, I think into November, we made 140% in our big stocks. Okay? You can make 200, 300, 600, depending on the stocks that you are in, but you are making money last year. But in the companies, they lost a lot of money. Most of them, they lost money. But I know there are some companies that are virtual, that have a lot of news. They have done good. Okay, they have done good because of of what they do. And there is a new thing that happened in the economy, that it is new. Okay, so this new thing is the delivery companies, new companies, or those they do online sale. Okay, they have done excellent last year. Okay, because all the people they go and they buy from this. They use this service. For example, delivery companies like Uber, like Lyft, like Instacart, like Postmate. Like there are a lot of companies like this. Online, like Amazon, which is the first in the world. Amazon, eBay, and the other stuff, other companies that they do a lot of business online. So online sale, even companies, almost all the retail companies, they do online business right now. Online, because if you don't do online, you get hit. Okay? You get hit, and that is something that it is so bad. Okay, and there is another comment from Al Hassan Kasimi. Hello Karim, hope you are doing well. What's the name of website you are in the USA? Oh, you mean the Qasimi, you should tell me what website. You mean the cryptocurrency, or you mean the search? So I will give you guys, for those who don't know, the search website is called Finviz. There are a lot. You can use any one of them, but Finviz, I use it a lot. It gives a lot of information and criteria to choose from. Now, if you are speaking about the website, okay, if you are using the website to buy cryptocurrencies is this one, Coinbase, but there are others, but this is the most trusted in USA. If you have other names, you can tell me, but what I know is this is the most the thing. So as I told you guys, when you see it's online business in physical, it means it's virtual, but it is made by companies. So these companies that do online sale, everything is online right now. Okay, everything. Now, let's take now an example of Amazon. Okay, I give you an example of Amazon, and you see, you can compare it with Dow Jones. Okay, so we will have this, and then we stop. Now, look now for Amazon. I just give you an idea about Amazon. Now, look at Amazon. Okay. You see, when I told you that there is a downtrend from February to March. This is the trend, the small downtrend. But see this big trend. So Amazon was 1,800. It goes to 3,500. Okay? Now, the yellow line that you see here is the growth of Dow Jones. You see how, when you compare Amazon with Dow Jones, there is no way to compare them. You see how big is Amazon in terms of growth. Okay? The growth of, because Dow Jones get hit in general, but other stocks, they have done way better than Dow Jones, and these are called, I call them the leaders of the market. It means the stocks that lead the whole market. And if you have seen my training, I always speak about these stocks that you should always think about what we call the leaders. And Qasimi said, I mean how you get the chart. Oh, the chart, guys, I didn't speak to you about the chart. The chart, I know some people, they have problems. They have problems with the chart. So this is the chart, please check it. Here is the chart. You should use Internet Explorer only. And when you get Explorer, please, Internet Explorer, it doesn't work with other browsers, just Internet. And there is a new thing that they cut, because understand, guys, I'm trying to explain to you this chart. This chart use an old technology, and maybe 1 year or 2 years they will delete it. Although this chart is one of the best chart in the world. It was all free, and it is very easy. Now, for example, I will show you something that you don't find in other charts. If you find another one that it is easy, please let me know. Okay? So, for example, I will show you something. Okay. Now, this chart is so easy. It gives you everything you need. For example, I want to make a line here. I want to make it in as a price. I click on that line, I give the price that I want. Let's say you, just an example. Let's say me, I bought Amazon in this day here. Let's say I bought it here. So you can click that. You see when do you buy it. Let's say I bought Amazon at 5 May 2020. Okay? So this line, it means the day where I bought. So when you do it, it means you know where you bought it. Now this line, for example, I put it in green. And this means at what price? Let's say at $2,295.37. So this is the line where I bought. Now, guys, can you see any other chart that can you do lines like this very quick? I can make very quick, a trend line. Very, very quick. Guys, I did not find an easy chart like this. You will never find a chart like this. I have seen a lot of brokers, a lot of professionals, but it was so difficult to make all the thing, and it's not easy. Here you just take like this, take a line and you put it. Where did you now? There is something I will tell you guys, that here the delayed data for Amazon. You know, they took the streaming data that was free. Now, if you want this information, you should pay. Okay? Now they cut a lot of free things. For example, in the past, I will tell you something. If you go to the main component in the market, let's say you want to see the Dow Jones 30 industrial component stocks. Before they were good, but right now I click that. What did it says? It says list not authorized. Now what does it mean, list not authorized? It means that you should pay in order to show the list of Dow Jones directly. So these are new things, and this chart, they begin to take the good things from this chart. Okay? They begin to take all these new things, and they say, this company, they say that this chart is for free, but in 1 year, 2 years, we will delete it. And there is another chart that you should download. It's I think C2000 broker. I can show you from this thing. I don't know if it's still there, or if I can contact. So guys, if you want to ask questions about this chart, here is the feedback, free source charts. It's called Warden Brothers. This is the company. This is the phone number if you want to call them. And they are in North Carolina. And this is the address, Durham, North Carolina. And this is the broker. The broker TC2000. When you click that, okay, so when you click that, you get something else. Where is the thing? Oh yes. Let me see. Let me see, guys. I'm sorry. A lot of stuff. Oh, okay. So, guys, here is the website. I think TC 2000. It doesn't show, but I don't know why it doesn't show. But I will as I showed the thing. Let me see here. Let's go back to the chart. Okay, let's go to the chart again. Now, you go to the address that I give you, which is a freestockchart.com platform V, and you can have help, and you can see contact us, and then you will see the website, and you see the broker, and you see the chart. Now, this chart is going to be deleted maybe 1 year or 2 years. This is what they say, but because they say it's old technology. But in this TC2000, you find the new chart. But I did not use it because you have to download it. And I don't know if it is as good as this one. So I have no idea. I didn't try it. So guys, if you try it and it's good for you. And, you should always use the thing that it is good for you. If you like this chart, you keep on it. If you don't like it, you can choose another thing. So NASA said, yes, but you tell me, you can see Dow Jones index and it's a stocks if you log out for the website. So I have no idea, but let's see. We see Dow Jones. No. Listen, I don't know what is the link that you have, but from the chart, I will show you. NASA. I will show you. You see that? Dow Jones 30, it says symbol not authorized. I'm telling you. They took all this information because they ask you to pay. And it's a new trick from them to make money because they begin to see that we have millions of people, they are using it. So they want to make money from the chart. It was free. But right now, a lot of stuff are going out of it. So if the people, they like it and they can't do without it, they should pay. Whatever they ask you to pay. But when you say you can see Dow Jones index and its stocks if you log out for the website. Now, when you log out, where you should go? Where you should go when you log out? Because when you put free stock charts and you put it in when you log out, I don't know, it will not give you the chart. This is what I see. I don't know what's going on. Okay? So, guys, this is for today. We have spoken about a lot about stock market, about the cryptocurrencies. So, and I hope what I said gives you some insights, some new ideas, or what to do in the future. But for me, I'm always following the trends. This is what I like. I like the trends. Like a swing trader, I see a trend. I see some stocks, I buy them. They go up, I make some money. The trend stops going up, it go down, I sell. That's it. So you can use the techniques. You can use it in Bitcoin. You can use it in cryptocurrencies. You can use it in stock market. You can use it in futures. In what is it called? The other one, forex, currency pairs. Okay. And options follows stocks. So if you want to trade stocks, you see the stocks and then you trade options, because options follow stocks. But the calculations is so different. Okay, so thank you very much, wise men, and thank you very much, all of you guys, for watching and for coming and for this live. As usual, if you have other questions or so, you can just send me an email. And if you have other ideas about other charts or what is going on in the stock market, because for me, as you know me, I don't follow news. I don't. Sometimes when something becomes so big, I just by accident I hear about it, because I don't follow. I follow only the trends. If something is moving,